You guys want to see what's behind the camera? Pretty cool stuff. Check it out. The Ooni Koda 16. It's a good day. We're gonna make some kick-ass pizza tonight. So I'm gonna bring this around back. I'll unbox it, show you what's inside, fire it up, and yeah, we'll bake a pizza. Sound good? All right. All right. Nice. Securely packaged, a box within a box. Might be a little tricky getting this out, but we'll figure it out. This thing is heavy. Oh, God. All right, let's see what's inside. Before I open it up, on the top here it says 16-inch stone, bakes pizzas in 60 seconds. We all know that's possible. There's an innovative L-shaped burner for one-turn baked pizzas. Now that's something I'm really curious about. Easy ignition and control, and ready to cook in 20 minutes. So this puppy heats up, gets all the way up to like 900 and something degrees in 20 minutes. It's fantastic. All right, let's open the box. Gotta be careful I don't hit my lights here. All right. Looks like we got a 3-year warranty. That's beautiful. We've got an essentials guide. Quick start guide is in here. Setting your Ooni up for the first time. There's some tools that they recommend that you purchase or have on hand. Some information about the stone temp and how to connect the propane, your propane to the oven. Some tips, and along with some recipes. Nice. It's a nicely designed essentials guide. Love the layout. I like the design overall. Awesome. Well, let's open this guy up. What do we got here? Looks like we have the stone. Wow, it's got some bubble wrap around it. Nicely packaged. Looks like it's intact. Beautiful. And in here we have a manual and safety instructions. Cool. And this stone, this guy looks pretty thick. I don't know if you can see that. It's definitely is thicker than the stone that's in my Ooni Pro or my Ooni 3. Pretty sure. We'll measure it though, just to see the difference. All right. This is the line for the propane. And I think there she is. All right, how do I get... It's not terribly heavy. Yeah. All right. All right. Okay, so maybe it is a little heavy. Definitely not as heavy as the Pro, though. I'll get this plastic off and we'll pull the legs up and take a look at the inside. All right, I have the back leg extended. I'm just gonna extend these 2 front legs. Now it's sitting on all 3 legs, just like that. Might as well slide the stone in as well. There. She's in there. Now we'll just bring this outside and we'll connect a tank to it and get it all set up. Here's a quick side-by-side of my Ooni Pro and my Koda 16. Now, these 2 ovens are the largest ovens that Ooni offers, so I figured it'd be nice to have them side-by-side for somebody that's looking to maybe purchase one or the other. Just some quick dimensions, some internal cooking dimensions. The Koda, you got about 16.5 inches of cooking space in width, and about 16 to 16.5 inches in depth. The Pro, I think the Pro is a little bit larger. Let's see here. Yeah, you got about 18 inches in width, and you got about 17.5 inches in depth. Now, the major difference between these two ovens is the fact that the Pro is a multi-fuel oven. You can cook with wood, charcoal, a combination of both, or you can buy the attachment and cook with propane. The Koda is gas only, which makes the oven a little bit more minimalist and sleeker in design. See, you don't have that chimney over here. And it's also a little bit lighter. Depth-wise, on the exterior, this guy is about 24 inches in depth, where the Pro is about 29. Feet-wise, let me get around this way. With the feet, you're looking at about 20, maybe 25 and a half inches in depth. And with the Koda 16, you're looking just a little bit shorter. I would say somewhere around 22 inches. So you can probably get away with a shallower table for the Koda 16 than you would with the Ooni Pro. So what we're gonna do right now is I'm gonna season this guy. I need to cook it at high heat for about 30 minutes, just to burn off any oils or anything left from manufacturing. We'll let it cool down, and then I'll fire it up again and we'll bake some pizza. So to turn the oven on, all you have to do is push this knob in and start turning counterclockwise. Initially, the heat will be on high, and as you continue turning the knob, the flame will get a little bit lower, and respectively, the temp in the oven will drop as well. There we go. So I'm gonna let this cook for about 30 minutes. Like I said, on high heat, we'll burn off any of the chemicals or oils that are left over from manufacturing, and we'll let it cool down, and I'll cook some pizza for you. All right, it's been about an hour and a half. Oven's cooled down completely. I've got all of my stuff out here for making pizza. I've got dough, sauce, cheese, toppings. Of course, you gotta have a beer. Got something to drink. What do you say we make a pizza and bake it in this beautiful freaking oven? Let's do it. All right. Now the stone itself is about 425 to 430 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm sorry, 425 to 430 degrees Celsius, somewhere around 800 degrees Fahrenheit. And the L-shaped burner here should only cook the left and the back side of the pizza. Then that means when I pull the pizza out, all I have to do is spin it once, throw it back in, and it should cook the pizza entirely. I won't have to do multiple turns. Some of the other ovens have heat only coming from the back, which means it needs to be, the pizza needs to be rotated multiple times, where this one should only need to be rotated once. At least I think so. We'll see what happens. Nope, it's gonna need a little bit more on a few sides here. This is a pretty good job, but I feel like it needs a little bit here and there. All right, how's that guy look for you? Pretty good, right? Let's cut into it. Nice. See the bottom? Pretty good cook. I feel like maybe it could have used just another 20 or 30 seconds maybe. I think the bottom's just a little under. All right, here we go. This is a good pizza. Koda makes a really, really good pizza. Well, hopefully the video helps you make a decision on which uni oven you want to buy. Definitely loving this thing. I think it's wonderful. It makes cooking a breeze, and it looks really nice too. It's a sleek looking oven. But check out some of my other videos. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up. Catch you guys next time. Yep. Top notch.